Finished in its original distinctive livery of Kentucky blue with Magnolia pipe dark blue hide interior and Burr Walnut fittings, fully restored and completed with useful upgrades. This tastefully specified 1979 model Oscar India V8 Coupe has recently been treated to a restoration carried out by renowned Aston Martin specialists. Works included chassis and body restoration, a bare metal repaint, and a complete interior retrim with Magnolia hides, new Wilton carpeting, and interior finishes re-veneered. The original V8 engine has received a complete rebuild to its as-built specification, while the car's suspension and brakes have also been rebuilt, incorporating upgraded suspension components with the original standard brakes replaced with improved AP brake calipers, discs and pads. A substantial history file accompanying the car documents the comprehensive works professionally carried out to the high standards as presented. Since the extensive works were completed, the car has now covered less than 1,000 dry weather miles. Fitted with the optional ZF 5-speed manual gearbox, this example of the AM-V8 provides spirited performance with excellent grand touring capabilities, being both rapid and comfortable to drive with ample passenger and luggage space, and whilst being cosseted in air-conditioned comfort. Rare to find with this level of restorative works completed in this condition and at this price point, this well-specified AM-V8 cannot fail to be admired and be enjoyed in the knowledge of a comprehensive restoration having been carried out. Available for viewing and demonstration now at our Hertfordshire showrooms.